Okay, like the smile should reflect on your eyes. That thing must be required. Okay, your smile is going to create first impression before your words. Remember carefully. So really, expressions are that much important. You may have the question. Okay, very simple, sir. Very simple. The best friend maker in the world is dog. We discussed already in the last session, right? The best friend maker in the world is dog. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Dog. Now my question is, you like the dog because of its expressions or because of its words? Yeah, man.
Expressions.
Expressions.
Expression.
It can't talk, right? But still, you loved the dog like anything, man. Because of its expressions, because of its genuine interest. Okay, without expecting anything from us, it's always going to wagging its tail. Okay, so that happiness you people are going to see on its face. By seeing you, it's going to feel very happy. That happiness you people are going to see. Expressions, smile, that much important. Don't ignore that.